So here we are at the AutoPromotec show in Italy, Bologna. It's going to be an amazing show. I want to take you inside to check it out. So here we are, naturally promoting our Carbon Clean and DPF cleaning machines. As we've seen from our international clients today, that the carbon issue is a global problem. So already today we've met with our Spanish distributor, our Greek distributor and our Polish distributor, amongst many other new potential distributors. That is our main goal of this show, is to meet new distributors and to carry on the mission of carbon cleaning. So now we at Carbon Clean are at a level where we are exhibiting alongside the big brands such as Bosch, Texa, but to name a few. And it's also very, very nice to see how they do business here over some wine and food and general conversation. So if you're a garage equipment distributor and would like to join the Carbon Clean sector, please get in touch. We've got some amazing opportunities for you and we'd love to hear from you. Contact us online for more information.